my name is Viola Brown. Welcome to my channel, aka Nail Cover Lover. Let's get started. Okay, here guys, I am showing you the products that will be used in this video, which is the Madam Glam potted painting gels. And I do not use the chrome powders, but I do have the Madam Glam base coat, top coat, and perfect white I will be using. And this lady here is the lady I got this idea from. Her name is the Nail Garage NI. So you guys need to go and subscribe to her and tell her I sent you. She is a super lady, so you guys need to go check her out. And here I am showing you the green Madam Glam gel paint, and now the purple, and then I will be also using the gold. And here I've got the purple, green, and gold caviar beads from Amazon. And now I'm going to start off, and I've got a white one coat of the white on the nail tips already. I got those from Rofran from Amazon. Here I am opening up these little pots, and let me tell you, they were sealed good. But I had to show you the struggle. But yeah, I won't show you the whole complete thing, but that's the struggle of opening up these little pots. Here I'm going to do the gold. Oh, look at that gold. Oh my god, look at this purple. It is so deep. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my god, oh my god. It's so pretty, so pretty. But anyway, guys, so what's on my nails? If you guys want to watch that, I'll put it up in the cards here to let you know what it is. And this, I got that brush from Wish. And what you do is you put one layer of the green on one half of the nail and a layer of the purple on the other half of the nail. Do not cure them until you get both layers on, and blend it in the middle a little. And then, well, there I was cleaning off my brush so I could get the purple. And I bought these paint gels from Madam Glam from Omnia's Wish, so you guys need to go check her out too. But on this, I will be painting both sides, and I will not cure them till I get both sides painted. And I will be curing this for 60 seconds. I'm going to put another little layer over the green because I didn't like the blend too well. But you know how that goes, guys. It messes up sometimes. Things go the way you want it, things don't. So, but here you go. I'm redoing over the purple. And now here I am putting on some base gel from Madam Glam. And I'm going to be adding my caviar beads to this. As you can see here, I'm starting off with the purple. And ladies and gents, and if you've ever applied caviar beads, you know they are fiddly. Takes you a while. So I do show you the start of the process, but I don't show you the end of the process of the purple. I don't think I show you the end of the process of the green or the gold, because it would have took us forever. Here, I have to start putting the green over top of the cured purple. And that's what I'm doing here, and you'll see the design. It is so cool. I seen this on Madam Glam's channel, and I had to try it. And then next, I'll be putting the purple over the cured green side. And I'm not curing it. And then I will be taking a brush and sliding it across both of them where I want the design to be. And I will be cleaning them off for a few minutes here, and I'll show you the process as it goes. And you will see what it looks like in the end. And then I will be adding some gold dots later on in the middles of all of them. But yeah, I'm going to keep on cleaning that off until I get the way the design I want it to look. But this is so cool. You guys need to try it. If you do, tag me in it. And also here, I sprayed on my little lint-free wipes is 70% alcohol. That's what I'm using to clean off these with. So I just wanted to let you know that. And then after I do this and get the design the way I want it, I will be curing it again for 60 seconds. Has any of you guys ever tried this technique? If you have, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video and like what you see, please give it a big old thumbs up. And I want to come on here and tell each and every one of you that keep coming and watching my videos, I so greatly appreciate you. And if you're new here, I so hope you decide to join our little community, which I call the Nail Cover Lovers. But yeah, I so appreciate each and every one of you. Without you guys, I would not be where I'm at. And let me tell you guys, I love each and every one of you. And I so appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah! Oh my gosh, you guys, here I am adding that beautiful, beautiful gold. And I'm making some like little dots, but I kind of make them a little bit bigger as I go because I thought it just looked so scrumptious. Anyways, guys, I hope you are enjoying this. Please leave me a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button, click that bell, hit all, and that way you get notified of all of my new uploads. And there will be pictures at the end. Okay guys, here I'm adding some more of the base gel to add more caviar beads to this finger and the pinky finger. And yeah guys, hit that share button too. Share, share, share. Sharing is caring. But yes, I love you guys. I so appreciate each and every one of you. For real, I really do. Hope you're enjoying. Sorry, I'm a little out of frame with this one of applying the caviar beads, guys. Sorry. Here I am adding some gold, purple, and green, and I am making a feather, guys. And this feather looks so cute when it gets done. Trust the process, as I always say. Here I am adding some base gel again, and I'm going to add some stones to the top of the thumb and the pointer and in the middle of the pinky. So, but it turns out pretty cute. I just thought it needed something a little bit more. if you're still here with me. I hope you stick around to the end of the video and check out the photos that you will see the end results. And I so appreciate you guys again. I have to say it again, repeat myself, because without you guys, wouldn't be here. So yeah, hope you stay and see the end. And like I said, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what do you think of what I did, if I could have done anything different, if you like this idea. But this is for Mardi Gras. Yeah, have some fun. I've never been, but I always see the pictures, photos, and videos, and it always looks fun. Okay guys, as this last one is curing, I am going to go ahead and apply my Madam Glam top coat on these 4. And I'm not going to be putting top coat on the gems because it will dull them. So I go around the gems, but I will be going over the caviar beads because caviar beads sometimes have a tendency to fade. So I figured I'd put this around the caviar beads and on them. And then I will come back again and do the very last one, put top coat on it. And I do have to wipe the inhibition layer off of this top coat, so you will see the end result. And I love them, you guys. I love them.